If I cut an onion and cry, am I sad? I mean, onions are pretty powerful, right? Water leaks from our eyes when we are sad. But why? Suzi, are all tears the same? Or are there different types?
No, there are 3 types of tears: basal, reflex, and emotional. Under a microscope, they look completely different.
Wow! So what is the onion tear called?
That is a reflex tear. It protects your eye from acid.
So my eye is just washing itself? Smart! What about sad tears? Do they contain pain?
Yes, emotional tears contain stress hormones. Crying removes stress. That is why you feel better after a good cry.
Nature's therapy. But why do we cry when we are super happy?
It resets our brain. Extreme happiness is too much to handle. Tears help bring your emotions back to balance.
Balance is good. Now, let's talk about laughter. Is it contagious?
Yes, hearing a laugh triggers your brain to smile. See? Just like this.
So laughter really is the best medicine.
It boosts your immune system and reduces pain.
But sometimes people laugh when they are scared. Why?
That is nervous laughter. It helps reduce tension. It convinces the brain that the danger is not real.
So it's a trick. Emotions are complicated.
Very complicated. But they make us human.
True. Now, time for the quiz. Which animal laughs when tickled, just like humans? Is it a dog, a rat, or a dolphin?
If you know the answer, comment below. And if you don't, subscribe and hit the bell icon right now. I will reveal the answer in the next video very soon. Don't miss it! Or check our space playlist here for more amazing videos. Bye-bye, friends. Stay curious.